ago. Thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Pride was seated by my side. The host was Lynn and Land.